Viprajesh again. In this video today, I would like to talk about the newly unveiled Renault Kiger compact SUV. Renault India has unveiled their first compact SUV, which will compete against the likes of the Nissan Magnite, the Tata Nexon, the Ford EcoSport, the Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza, the Kia Sonet, and the Hyundai Venue. Just like the Nissan Magnite, the Renault Kiger is also based on the Renault-Nissan Alliance's CMF-A platform, which underpins the Renault Triber as well. The Nissan Magnite and the Renault Kiger will also share engine and transmission options, while also offering a lot of common features. In terms of design, the Renault Kiger is entirely different when you compare with the Nissan Magnite, and features a typical Renault design language first seen on the Renault Kwid. Just like the Renault Kwid, the Renault Kiger also features multifunctional LED DRLs on top, flanking the wide chrome grille, while the actual headlamps are located lower down on the front bumper. The Renault Kiger introduces Pure Vision triple beam LED headlamps, which also includes fog lamps. The top spec variants will also receive long and functional roof rails along with dual tone roof, while also offering silver finished front and rear skid plates. Similar to the Nissan Magnite, the Renault Kiger is also expected to offer 16-inch wheels as standard, while the top spec variants will offer 16-inch dual tone machine cut alloy wheels. At the rear, the Renault Kiger will feature signature C-shaped LED tail lamps, similar to other Renault cars abroad. Similar to the Nissan Magnite, the Renault Kiger also boasts of a high ground clearance of 205 mm and also claims to offer best-in-segment boot space at 405 litres. On the inside too, the Renault Kiger features a completely different dashboard, while also offering few more features over the Nissan Magnite. The dashboard features a freestanding 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, and similar to the Nissan Magnite, it also offers wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility. This touchscreen system will also be paired to 6 speakers from Artemis. However, it is not sure whether the Renault Kiger will also feature 360-degree surround view camera as on the Nissan Magnite. The Renault Kiger also features automatic climate control, with the console itself being borrowed from the Nissan Magnite. However, the Renault Kiger features its own 7-inch TFT instrument cluster display, which is also expected to provide various details similar to the Nissan Magnite, including tire pressure monitoring system. However, unlike the Nissan Magnite, the Renault Kiger will also offer additional features such as interior ambient mode lighting and multiple sense drive modes, including economy, normal and sports modes, along with wireless charging. Similar to the Nissan Magnite, the Renault Kiger will also be available with 2 different engine options. The first one being the 1-liter 3-cylinder non-turbocharged petrol engine, which produces 72 PS of maximum power, and apart from the standard 5-speed manual transmission, this 1-liter non-turbocharged petrol engine will also be mated to a 5-speed AMT gearbox carried forward from the Renault Triber. The second engine option will be the very same 1-liter 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine from the Nissan Magnite, which produces 100 PS of maximum power through either a 5-speed manual transmission or a CVT automatic gearbox. In terms of rear seat comfort, the Renault Kiger will also offer rear AC vents along with the rear center armrest on the top spec variants, quite similar to the Nissan Magnite. Standard safety features to be expected on the Renault Kiger include dual airbags, ABS with EBD, pre-tensioner equipped seatbelts, engine immobilizer, and front and rear headrests. The turbocharged variants will also come as standard with ESP traction control with hill hold, similar to the Nissan Magnite. The variant details along with the prices for the new Renault Kiger are expected to be revealed by the month of February. So stay tuned for further details on the new Renault Kiger compact SUV. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this brand new compact SUV from Renault. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe for more videos. If you like this video, click the like buttons and give your comments.